In this video, we will go over the Dynamics tool, which becomes available in Level 4 of Song Builder. To add dynamics to your composition, click on the Dynamics tool in the right-hand toolbar. Click on the purple plus box below the beat to which you would like to add a dynamic marking. A mezzo forte marking and 2 arrows will appear. Click on the up arrow to make the dynamics louder, or click the down arrow to make the dynamic softer. If you would like to delete a dynamic marking, hover over the marking and click the trash can that appears. When you add 2 different dynamic markings, a hairpin button will appear between them, allowing you to gradually transition from one dynamic marking to another. Click on the hairpin button to add a crescendo or decrescendo to your composition, and click on the button again to remove it. When you deselect the Dynamics tool, the dynamic markings you added will stay on the note grid, but the tool interface will disappear. Click on the tool again to edit the dynamics again.